Hello and welcome everyone. So today I'm so excited, guys. I'm going to be showing you my completed album. So if you remember, I challenged myself to smash a paper pad. It was the Cake Panda Party. I'll leave the details down in the description below. And so I've already made 4 cards and I have now completed this album. Oh, it is so cute, guys. So cute. I had so much fun making it. So the first thing, it's about 5x5 album, and it's got a 2-inch spine. So we'll start off with the spine, and just here I've put the word magic going down, and I've had these foam stickers for quite a while. I believe they're Chanel stickers, I think they are, but I've had them for a long time, guys. And then on the front cover I've just layered up some of those the cardstock, the paper, and I've used some of the stickers to make a front cover, and it says party like a panda, happy birthday. He looks like he's had a really good time at a birthday party, guys. He is flat out. I had this hat again from some stickers in my stash. And then as you go in, guys, this color scheme as well is just so up my street. It's so me. So let me see if I can just get this all in for you. I don't know, I think my camera's really moved somehow, because wait, I've just tried to adjust my camera for you guys so that you are all in shot, so that you can see the whole of the album. And guys, I absolutely love this paper pad. Oh my gosh, it sings to my heart. My heart was so happy making this, because as you know, I like pinks and like turquoise blues, light blues, pastel colors. So I start off on the first page of the album with this with this cut apart, and this was so that you can mark the date of the party. And then I've just made this booklet actually has 4 pages, and you can just put your pictures. This is a tuck spot here. I'm just seeing if I've got something that I can show you. So this is a tuck spot, so you could put a photo in here. And then this one is a kind of a flip little page there. You can put a photo here. You could do a bit of journaling on this side, and then here again you've got photo, and I've just got party. This is one of the stickers propped up on some foam pads. And then on this page you've got some little cards that you can, so these are from the cut apart sheet. And you can do some journaling, stick some photos on the back there. So I thought that was just so cute. And then I made this little pocket for them to sit in, and I added this little bow that I had from my stash. Put those back in there, and this just says Panda Wishes. Again, this was one of the cut apart parts. And then here I have another flip. This just flips down. And then I've got another place where you can put a photo. Oops. And then I've got some of these little beads. Now I bought these little beads. Normally I get them and they're on like a little, I don't know, see-through little sticky string. These were individual, guys. I haven't stuck them down with glue, but I'm thinking I'm going to have to, because they keep popping off. But I just thought that was super cute to have that there. You know, I need a bit of bling or a bit of sparkle. I've used another one of those stickers on his hat just to, you know, put a bit of bling on this page and to make it stand out. And then he's got wish big here, and then I've got another photo space just here on the left. And then here I've used some more of those Chanel stickers. This was another cut apart, and then this is a flip out for some more photos. And I've used again another one of the stickers to create a little tuck for a photo, or just like a little memorabilia. Maybe if you go out for dinner, you might have a little you know, a little part of a menu or a leaflet. If you go for a day out, you might want to tuck that in. And then here I've just got a pink page with some of the star stickers from the sheet. And then on this side again, another tuck spot, guys, with a sticker. And then I have this little sort of envelope that I created on the back here, just to put some of those, you know, again, memorabilias or anything from the party that you might want to keep. And then I've actually put a gusset on this so it can lay flat if it's not super stuffed, but if you need a bit more space. I've just created a little gusset there so that it can curve up on the side, and you've just got that little bit more room, and then you can tuck it back into here. So guys, I had so much fun creating this album, and it's just so up my street. I so love it. And then on the back I've just got plain polka dots. I just love it, guys. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that is the completed album. I had so much fun. I wasn't sure to add some more bling or to leave it as it is, because I like to put loads of embellishments and ephemera on my albums, but I just love the way that it is with the black. Usually I don't make my albums, actually I think this is the only album I have that is in black, and it just came out so well. So guys, this was my second project for my challenge, where I challenged myself to complete a paper pad. And guys, this is what I've got left, apart from a few stickers. And I'm actually making the last project, which is going to be a tag flip folio. So I've already started cutting out my pieces. I had one more cut apart sheet left, and I'm already using all the little bits, like this little tag here. These are just like little leftover bits. And then I had some actual plain card in my scrap and things like that were left over from other projects. And I just cut some tags. So I'm going to be putting those together to make a little tag flip. And then this larger piece is going to be the actual folio. Let me put those over here. This larger piece that I've got, which has got the panda bears on this side and the polka dots on this side, this is going to be my actual folio, which I'll fold over and create. And so don't worry, I will be back on to show you guys what it looks like when it's completed. But this literally is the last few pieces of the paper I've got left, and I absolutely love it. I feel a bit sad that it's coming to an end, and I need to look out for my next paper pad for smashing, and I think I know which one it's going to be. Jessica Marvel on her channel, she was enabling, she probably doesn't know, and I just absolutely fell in love with a paper pad that she just bought. So I think that's going to be my next project pad of paper. So guys, thank you for watching. Have an enjoyable Sunday, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.